Alright, here it goes for another hop of this thing. So the last time you saw it fly, it kind of just took off, and the reason was because we were just controlling with just radio telemetry. Even though it has a GPS, we were using a GPS. So Mission Planner, which is the app on my laptop, actually has a GPS and collects the GPS coordinates to help keep this thing in place. So the hope is that when we fly this today, we're hoping to be able to hover in place, and it'll stay there. So let's see how that goes. Here goes nothing. Okay, let me get this connected. Process is connected. All right. Okay, well, the radio's a little loud. We got a little collateral damage. We lost one of the props on the landing. I don't know if you saw the landing. I got to get used to the controls, and we still got more tweaking to do with the GPS, and more tweaking on the controls because I barely move it, and this thing like kind of goes nuts. So more tweaking to do, but we are about ready to fly this thing with just pure code. So that's the end goal for this project at least. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm happy with the results today. I hope you guys had fun watching it fly a little crazy, and we're gonna get this thing solid and see where that takes us. Alrighty. Till the next one. Peace.